Yo, what's up, strikers? So in today's video, I am going to tell you how you can complete this free butterfly knife event in Bloodstrike. So without wasting any moment, let's get right into it. First, open Bloodstrike and copy your invite link. Then, paste it into your notepad or any other app you prefer. Now, open Google Play Store and download this app. After downloading the app, open it and give all the required permissions. Now click on the plus button on the bottom right corner and add Chrome and Bloodstrike. Now copy the invite link you pasted in the notepad earlier. Open Chrome and paste it. Click on the Claim Rewards button and Bloodstrike will be launched. And guys, before we move on, if you want to top up Bloodstrike Gold for a cheaper price, you should definitely check out Store. It offers the cheapest prices on the market so you can get your gold without spending extra. And the best part is that Store is available in many countries, so no matter where you are, you can top up quickly and safely. Plus, every purchase gives you wing points, which you can redeem later for free top-ups. So what are you waiting for? Top up now using Store. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. After opening Bloodstrike, create a guest account and choose the server in which your main Bloodstrike account is. You can create unlimited guest accounts using this app. After this, the game will open and take you to the training ground. Then select the I've played Bloodstrike option, and it will redirect you to the lobby. Now start a Weapon Master match and play one round, whether you win or lose. Then quit the match and repeat the same process one more time. This will level your account up to level 3, which is necessary. After leveling your account to level 3, open your main Bloodstrike account and boom, your first invite link will be activated. Repeat all these steps 2 more times to activate the other 2 links. And every time before repeating the steps, clear data or reinstall the app. And yeah, that's how you complete the free gold and butterfly knife event in Bloodstrike. If you found this helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe so you never miss any updates. I'll see you in the next one.